Okay, here's what's going on this evening across Northwest Florida. Quick update before I put my head down for a few minutes. Right now things are just rainy. Some good old-fashioned soaking rainfall. What you're looking at over into Destin, you see winds are still out of the northeast. That's a good sign to keep the more stable air mass at bay. Or the less stable air mass at bay. East winds in Panama City Beach, so a little bit more of an east wind there. What we're trying to avoid seeing is a southeasterly wind, but dew point temperatures remaining into the upper 50s. So again, things are looking okay right now as far as avoiding severe weather. What I do want to draw your attention to is out over across the Gulf. You're going to see over the past, let's go 15 minutes, if you look over here at the lightning counter, here we go. Let's go ahead and you'll see here the lightning pop up a little bit with like 1 or 2 strikes offshore. You can see the rainfall, again, primarily some heavier rain moving through Defuniak Springs, but that's continuing to move south to north. Now, as you look out over across the Gulf, there you can see 2 lightning strikes there, but that's well south of Destin and Pensacola. We'll keep an eye on it, but that's where the less stable air mass is, and until that front moves on through, it's going to stay stable and there's no risk of severe weather, but we'll keep an eye on it. You can see out to our west where the heavier rainfall is towards Mobile Bay. Everything in behind that's just very spotty, some light stuff. So here we are, 10 something at night. This is moving through pretty quickly, so it'll be gone, I think, well before morning. There's that risk of severe weather tonight. Marginal risk in the dark green. Tornado threat. There is a tornado threat, 2% chance, not very high. Wind threat is running at about 5%, and then that threat shifts east of us as we head into the morning hours. But again, it's moving pretty quickly, so you can see already on the backside, look at the temperatures in Louisiana dropping down into the 40s. Much colder air, and then you see the surge of moisture, but not enough here yet. Down across the peninsula, there's quite a bit more higher dew point temperatures. Our dew points right now, 50s to near 60 degrees. So again, a pretty stable air mass in place. Look at the winds. The winds are really beginning to pick up out of the south and east. You see that southeasterly winds, and that's why the winds are now beginning to pick up across our area. So you may notice those winds go briefly southerly tonight and strong, and then they turn northwesterly tomorrow, and they'll be pretty breezy as well as the dry air begins to filter in. So here we are, 1:30 in the morning, a line of showers and thunderstorms moving to the east across our area, and then finally exiting. And notice most of the daytime on your Tuesday is dry. How much rain will we see? Well, we're hoping to get close to an inch of rainfall on average. National blend of models keeps it right around an inch, half inch, 6/10 of an inch, 7/10 of an inch of rainfall. We'll take what we can get, but I would like to see more. Temperatures this evening staying steady and then actually rising towards morning time. And I think our high temperatures tomorrow will probably be in the morning, and then they'll actually fall over the course of the day. So it'll be a little bit deceptive. So low temperatures tonight, 50s to near 60. High temperatures Tuesday. Again, I think this is going to be a little on the tricky side because our highs will be in the morning, and then we'll see falling temperatures. So when you leave in the morning, don't expect it to get any warmer. Low temperatures Wednesday morning. Look at these lows way down into the 30s. Rude awakening Wednesday morning. 7-day forecast. Again, showers and thunderstorms tonight. Most of Tuesday's dry. Rain returns on Wednesday, and we'll keep high rain chances Thursday into Friday. Drier weather is expected on Sunday. Of course, we'll be here throughout the night and babysit these storms, and we'll pop in live as conditions warrant.